So guys are really fucking pissed off because do you know what time it is? Where's my phone? Wait, where's my phone? You just... Anyway, do you know what time? It's 1:14 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. And guess what fucking fire alarm went off? And guess whose building? My fucking building. The fucking fire alarm went off. And I had to quit studying at 12:30. We were up there for like half an hour. I have my fucking chemistry midterm, my final, my organic chemistry final at 8 a.m. I was gonna go to sleep like 1 a.m. Guess what? That shit ain't happening because some dipshit in my building was fucking cooking in their kitchen, opened the goddamn door, smoking a goddamn cigarette in their room. And I hate everyone and I'm really mad. Fuck everything.
Except crisps.
Do you see my note? Do you see this fucking note? I'm working my ass off.